Our last day, Man O War Cay. I want to just show you a must-do place at Man O War Cay, Bahamas. If you're here, you've got to come up and see Ann and Shauna at the Heritage Museum and Coffee Shop right here on the main drag. So I'm going to take you for a quick tour. Coffee Shop Museum Visitor Center, Man O War Heritage Center. Got to check this place out. Great seating outside. They're open in the mornings. Keep in mind this is shortly after Hurricane Dorian, so things aren't back to normal, but they did weather the storm very well. Outdoor seating, something to keep you occupied. Cornhole if you don't recognize that. Let's go in. Fantastic little coffee shop that Ann and Shauna opened a couple of years ago, just in time for the hurricane. They were able to weather that. This is Ann back here in the back. She doesn't want to be seen too much, but this is the inside of the shop. It also goes right into the Heritage Museum, which I'm going to take you into. Absolutely beautiful place. They've done an amazing job, and they have absolutely fantastic coffee. Cold coffees, hot coffees, cappuccinos, frappuccinos, lattes, mochas, sweet teas. If you're a sweet tea fan, you can get it all right here. Again, just a beautiful place. They've done a fantastic job. Did weather through the hurricane very well in comparison to others. And then we go into basically the history of Man O War Cay. They've done a fantastic job of documenting it, keeping up with a lot of the artifacts from the families, the 4 primary families here on the island, which hopefully this morning I'll get a moment and be able to interview Miss Aurelia Albury, who's a 5th generation Bahamas resident here at Man O War Cay. Her great grandfather actually landed here through shipwreck in about 1820 and never left. So the family is very well rooted here, but you can see the memorabilia here in the coffee shop museum. This is a free self-guided tour. So if you're looking something that's no cost or low cost with a cup of coffee, this is the place to be. So I encourage you to please come check it out, support them while you're here on the island with your stay. Even has a upstairs area. Take you up there. A lot of what island life would have been many years ago. Some great historical photography. Just a lot to see. I can't possibly show it all in a short clip. If you happen to have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. I was fortunate enough to spend here a week here with Ann and the residents of Man O War Cay and assisting with some projects in the recovery from Hurricane Dorian. It's been great to meet everyone. This is an island I guarantee you will make you feel like family. So it is a definite destination point. There's a wooden bathtub, which I had never seen before. So again, an absolutely fantastic place. A must see. Add it to your tour stop. come by and see Ann. All right, well, phenomenal place. If you don't mind, I'm going down the stairs. Again, this is a must-see stop. Really appreciate you following me along. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. I'd love for you to follow us on future tours, future things we do as we continue on this journey.